In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to create a histogram in Google Sheets on desktop. A histogram is a great way to visualize how your numbers are distributed, showing how often values fall into ranges or buckets. This is perfect for test scores, sales amounts, response times, or any continuous numeric data. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the column that contains the data you want to chart. Make sure you're working with numbers, not text, and that you've highlighted exactly the cells you want to include. If your column has a header, it's fine to include it in the selection. Sheets will typically recognize it. If your data has blanks or obvious typos, it's a good idea to fix those before you chart so the distribution isn't misleading. Next, click Insert in the top menu and choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart and open the chart editor on the right. Don't worry if it doesn't look like a histogram yet. Sheets often starts with a column or line chart by default. We'll change that in a moment. In the Chart Editor sidebar, go to the Setup tab. This is where you control the data range and chart type. Confirm that the data range includes the cells you selected. If it doesn't, you can adjust it here without starting over. Under Chart Type, open the drop-down and select Histogram Chart. As soon as you choose it, your chart will switch to a histogram. You'll see bars that represent how many values fall within each range. This gives you a quick read on the shape of your data, whether it's tightly clustered, spread out, or skewed. To fine-tune the look and clarity, go to the Customize tab. Here you can adjust the bucket size, axis labels, and formatting. Bucket size controls the width of each range. Smaller buckets show more detail, while larger buckets simplify the view. If you're unsure, start with the automatic setting and then tweak it until the bars make sense for your dataset. Update axis titles so your chart is self-explanatory. Label the horizontal axis with what the numbers represent and the vertical axis as frequency. You can also adjust colors, grid lines, and legend visibility to improve readability, especially if you plan to share or present the chart. Your histogram now displays the frequency distribution of your data. Hover over a bar to see exact counts and make any final adjustments until it tells the story you need. And that's how you create a histogram in Google Sheets on desktop.